Hello, everybody. Welcome to the last week of the course here, week 5. And I've got some scenery here, winter, depending where you're at, where you're having the winterness. So, anyway, on to my topic this week, the urge to quit. Many of us, I think everybody probably has these urges to quit what you're doing, to stop what you're doing because of things that are going on in life, or things that may be impacting you personally. I've talked before about settling, and that also kind of segues into giving into that urge to quit sometimes. So a lot to deal with this past year. There's been COVID, there's isolation, there's some historical events, a lot of things going on, and a lot of these things have impacted like employment. Some people were able to keep their jobs, some lost jobs, some have to work overtime, a lot of overtime because of different demands. There's stress, there's family, there's the absence of normality, there's depression, and all kinds of things that are going on in life. And all these things create more urges to quit what you're doing. And as graduate students, you may or may not have an urge to quit sometimes or slack off or not get things done on time. And it's just not about school, though. I mean, this is everything in our lives. And so you got to have the courage to keep moving forward and realize that you are worth more than just giving up or quitting. You do have value as an individual. What you think, what you do is worth something. And, you just have to fight that urge. You got to fight the urge to quit, fight the urge to settle for something less, fight the urge to give up, and fight that urge to take the easy way, instead of doing the right way. All right, so and you got to focus on your dreams, not what somebody else wants for you, uh, and not what life throws at you. What you want, what your dreams are, and you got to stay focused on that. You got to fight and don't give up, and that's important. Sometimes when people talk about fighting, they're talking about physical fighting, but no, this is about emotional and just sticking with your plan, whatever that plan is. You got to be positive, you got to think positive, get positive results from what you do, and go for your dreams. All right. You got to, I've said this before, you got to stop letting distractions in your life get in your way of accomplishing what you want to do. All right. You got to fight for your goals, and that's the bottom line. If you want something, you got to go for it and fight for it. All right. So with that, let's move in here to week 5. Okay, so upcoming week here, you got all right, we got week 5. We got our chapters here. So you got 4 well, you got a few more than that actually. Let me get back in here real quick. Um, All right, so you have the chapters, you got a couple chapters that have videos with it, all right? So when you click on the video, it'll bring up a video for you. And so besides those 2 video chapters, you also got the 13, 14, and then it jumps to 19, 20. Talking about direct price and indirect price discrimination, and then adverse selection and moral hazards. So those are the areas that are covered this week. All right, and then discussions as always. Everybody's doing great there, and so keep doing that when we go into next week, into the next term. Same thing with assignment. Good work on the assignments. Any issues, I would have let you know. And then you got your final exam. All right, so on this here is you got your questions in here. So you don't have a time limit in here, so just make sure you have time once you start. All right, and then you also have we ask you to do a survey on the course. So if you got something going on, or you notice something that I didn't get fixed, or sometimes a quiz will have a glitch in it, and it'll have the same question twice, or it'll have the same wrong answers, or something like that. So if you see something like that, if you haven't already let me know about it, put that in the survey, and otherwise, that'll do that. So, okay, so I'll let you go. I'll give you my test question real quick here. Um, there you go. You got that one. What's going on? We also got this one. So either or, it's the same. That's 4-year-old, the grandkid there. So either way, And with that, I will let you go. So you have a good week, or have a great week even, and just get in touch with me if you got anything you need to ask about. So, all right, take care, everybody.